welcome to day 17 of our mains Samadhaan course. So today there is a question on GS paper 1 on art forms, literature and architecture. Question is about Buddhism. Buddhism was more of a social movement under the backing of a religion. Elucidate. Okay, so the question is we need to write more of a social point of view, plus also we need to mention it was not only a religion, it was much more than a religion. Fine. So pehle introduction mein we can write about the timeline. We can write something about Samana religious tradition, that is this tradition, Samana tradition, that is Buddhism, Jainism, Charvaka, all these are under the ambit of Shramana religious tradition and Ajivika. Okay, so the Samana religious tradition rose in the 6th century BC in response to the religious unrest in the country in the later Vedic period. So we give the timeline, then we also write the reason why it came. Buddhism was one of the important religions which came out of the Samana tradition. Buddhism as a new religion became very popular in the 6th century BC, but it was more of a social movement under the backing of a religion. It was more of a social movement. So the analysis is, first is caste system. It became very rigid during the later Vedic period because the caste system became very rigid. After the early Vedic, later Vedic में वो काफ़ी rigid हो गया, that particular caste system, and created inequality among people, and Buddhism was totally against the caste system. Because Buddhism was against caste system, so it got that much popularity. Second is Brahmanical supremacy. Priests considered themselves superior and interpreted religion according to their convenience as they had the advantage of knowing Sanskrit. Priests जो थे ऋग्वेदिक में, they considered themselves very superior because उनको संस्कृत नॉलेज के बारे में काफ़ी कुछ पता था. And in countering that particular aspect, Buddhism preached in local language, this Pali and Prakrit. Third is complex rituals. During the Vedic period, complex religious rituals and sacrifices began to dominate the practice of worship. This confused people, and Buddhism brought a social change in this particular category. Fourth is economic conditions. The growth of trade led to the improvement in the economic conditions of the Vaishyas. Now they wanted to enhance their social status, but orthodox Varna system did not allow this. So here also they got embraced from Buddhism. So in a way, economic conditions also developed of this particular section. Now, however, it will be wrong to say that Buddhism was only a social movement. Now we need to write the other side also. Buddhism was not only a social movement under the garb of a religion. It was much more to that. Why? We need to justify this point also. See, this new religion brought the concept of ahimsa, that is non-violence, and this ahimsa later became one of the cherished values of our nation in our freedom struggle. Okay, so it brought the concept of ahimsa. Second, Buddhism did not believe in God or the soul. It particularly focuses on individuals' karma, that is karma and ahimsa. Third is central to Buddhist doctrine is dukh and its extinction. That is the Four Noble Truths. The essence of Buddhism is attainment of enlightenment, that is nirvana. So it was much more than a social movement. Therefore, you can say, though Buddhism brought a new social movement under the garb of a new religion, but it was much more than the tag of a religion. Because why? Because of its inclusive character and comprehensive doctrines. So this is the question and the answer of regarding social movement under the garb of a religion of Buddhism. So you can just go through it and write it in your notes, so that you get a practice, because only reading will not be much helpful in mains, because in mains it is the writing practice. It is a writing practice. You have to daily keep writing the answers. Okay, so you simply keep on practicing. Anyone who wants to join my ethics batch can contact me here. With my all the details are mentioned in my Telegram channel. and also you can visit my website. Details are here in the Telegram channel. And here we'll be having 1.5 hour class, weekly 3 days. Per chapter will be having questions and also case studies. Thank you.